Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. It's Lee
and Boof and T.
And Miss T has took us to downtown Jacksonville today to walk the bridges.
It's been amazing. We did land ourselves in the middle of a political rally.
It was an accident.
Didn't realize that was going on. But all in all, it's been nice to see the boats, see a lot of people, and enjoy the sights.
Thank you, Miss T, for bringing us along. So come along and check it out with us, guys. No, we can go this way. I don't mind. You said we're going across that bridge, right? Yeah. That's a cute fountain. This is called the Friendship Fountain, located in downtown Jacksonville. And I am told that at nighttime that they actually light it up, and it's quite a sight.
Is that the yacht you were speaking of?
Yes.
Huh?
Lights up blue at night.
There's a dolphin.
Is there?
Yeah.
Dolphin or a manatee?
Looked like a dolphin. It shot up just as a dip of the, if you're looking at the tip of the big boat, it come out over here though.
Oh, I saw him, yeah.
Two of them. Oh yeah.
Dolphins?
Yeah, two of them.
We gotta chase the dolphins.
I think you need to go further down if you're going to catch them. They were going that way. I'll give you a lift over the rail. Hey guys, just want to reiterate, we did not know this political rally was going on, as we are not a political channel, but we really liked the footage that we was able to capture, and we wanted to share it with all of you. We do ask though that you do not leave any political comments below. That is not what our channel is about, and any comments of that nature will be deleted. Thank you for understanding.
Pardon us. Well, it's 30th to release. Really? 326. And at the time they were saying it won't be
Come on, jump! Jump! You're not trying. This is so cool. It's the statue that's a workout thing. Come on, Boof, you can do it.
Go, team. It's all you.
All right, here we go.
You got it! Woo!
Yeah!
Probably just got coronavirus.
Wait, can you jump on that one? You can do it. Jump on?
Your turn.
Oh, say at this point.
Oh, no. Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, go ahead.
I
Yeah, you can.
The high
You can do it. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, we can't do it. How fair are this?
You can.
I don't think I can do it. Oh, Lord. See what I mean?
Oh,
See?
I'm scared.
It's hot, right?
All right, if I fall,
Okay,
ask
I
me
got
if
that
I'm
one.
okay first.
Nice!
Okay, see? All right, hold
Your
on.
turn. You got it.
There's
I'm
the
shorter
ticket.
than you.
Okay, all right.
1, 2, 3.
Not this one though.
Both feet, both feet.
I know,
straight
right?
down.
I'm trying.
1, 2, 3, both feet.
Yes, it's all in my head. Let me try. Alright. Go ahead.
Both feet.
Both feet, right? I mean, it doesn't seem like it'd be that difficult, but
Right? But then. 1, 2, 3. Jump. That was so mental.
That is
so mental. 2, 3.
Oh my god, that is so mental. I can get up there. I can't get myself over it though, you know? It's mental, right?
It is.
That is so mad. I see him do it on Biggest Loser all the time, and I always like, what's the big deal? But it's mental. Try it on the little one.
Mental.
All right, there you go.
Look, that jump.
I can't do it. I can't do it. This reminds me of San Juan. In San Juan, they had a little outdoor.
In Puerto Rico?
Yeah.
Yep,
Oh.
they did.
I almost had a heart attack for you. Did it move on it?
It did. I started slamming.
Oh, no way. That was great.
Now you don't bust yours.
Hold on, let me hold the camera for you, ma'am. Do it. Nice.
Okay, now I need help get off.
Nope, you're on your own.
Do the twist.
Twins, twins.
Now
How you gonna get up?
ski? Ski.
I'm about to go face first, I think.
Oh Lord.
A real friend would have helped her.
Scaring me.
Yeah, I know. A real friend would have helped. No, we're watching.
We just wanted to see.
Yeah, appreciate that, lady.
We have faith in you.
See, there's the love. Where's the love? I didn't bring the Lux. Oh wow, look at all of them down there. This reminds me of the bubblegum wall in Seattle. There's literally an alley in Seattle. People put their bubblegum on the wall. I mean, it's like,
Is it Seattle?
yeah,
Oh, okay.
and it's like 3 inches thick. And they actually scraped it all off at one time. The city come in and scraped it all off. And people just come right back behind them and start putting it back up again. I'm like, and it's disgusting, but yet interesting, you know? It's,
I know, the whole wall full of gum. Like,
yes,
it's like, ooh.
it's an alley. About as long as this chain link is.
That's crazy.
And it's nothing but gum. That is so cool.